Hello, little ones. Hello, my little friends. Are you all ready to meet some of our adorable animals today? We're going to listen to their sounds and have so much fun. Let's go. Let's clap our hands and get ready for this exciting adventure. The cow, look. It's the big cow. The cow says, moo, moo, moo. Moo, moo, moo. Can you say moo too? Great job. Did you know cows give us delicious milk? The pig hears the cute pink pig. The pig says, oink, 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 oink. Can you make a sound like a pig too? Just like that, pigs love to play in the mud. The lion, the king of the jungle. The lion. The lion says, roar, 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 roar. Oh, such a loud sound. Can you roar like a lion? Lions live in the jungles of Africa. The monkey up in the trees. There's a monkey. The monkey says, ooh, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Can you swing like a monkey? Monkeys love bananas very much. The elephant, wow, what a big elephant. The elephant says, trump, 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 trump. Big and strong. Can you make a loud sound like an elephant? Elephants love to drink water with their long trunks. The dog. Here is our loyal friend, the dog. The dog says, woof, 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 woof. Let's wag our tails like a dog. Dogs make wonderful pets. The cat, and here's our lovely cat. The cat says, meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Soft and sweet. Can you say meow like a cat? Cats love to sleep a lot. The bird, there's a bird in the sky. The bird says, tweet, 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 tweet. Fly high, little bird. Can you flap your arms like a bird? Birds build nests. Narrator, you all did a fantastic job today. We've learned so many sounds, from the mighty lion's roar to the tiny frog's ribbit. We had so much fun, didn't we? Tell me, what was your favorite animal sound? We'll sing this song again soon. Goodbye for now.